Hey everyone, this is John Stearns with the Zoom Spaces team, and just wanted to put out a quick video with some cool new features that are part of the Zoom Workspace Reservation March release that we just released over the weekend on the 18th. And so I wanted to give a quick demo of some of the new capabilities. So as we know, as a user, I go into Workspace Reservation. I can do this from the Zoom web portal. I can do it from my mobile phone. I can do it directly from the Zoom desktop client. Same user interface across all the different ways to reserve spaces. Of course, I can go in there and schedule a conference room. I can see details about that, upload photos. I can reserve for myself or on behalf of others. I can search by specific capacity, location, assets in the conference room. Those are all features that were already available. Same goes for reserving desks. But what's interesting here now is we got a lot of feedback from customers that they have more types of spaces or amenities that they want their employees to be able to reserve. So as part of the new release, we've added the ability to upload and configure additional space types. And so one common one is just even reserving parking for going into the office. So I could go in there, and filter. I jumped to a different floor. In this case, I went from one of the office floors to the parking lot. I can search by date and time, just like I can for any other space. And then when I jump into filters, what's helpful here is, of course, I can filter by parking, but then specifically, I can look for things like handicap parking, electric vehicle charging, or just a general parking space. So I'll go ahead and maybe I need an electric vehicle charging. I'll feel fancy today, like I have a Tesla. And now we see it shows the available spaces that have those assets. One is booked. In this case, I booked it. So I'll go ahead and reserve the other one. And now I can go in there and answer the normal questionnaires or surveys that we have configured for the account. And now I've reserved that space. So super helpful there in terms of just uploading different space types. If I jump back to the admin portal here, and I go into workspaces and I go up to account settings, this is now where you can see the ability to configure workspace types. And so, of course, reservation only rooms, desks, things like that are automatically included here. Zoom rooms are automatically placed on floor maps. So what we have the ability here, I already added parking, but I can go ahead and add a new type, call it whatever I want. Then we have, looks like about 20 different icons that you can choose from for now that could be associated with that particular space type. So things like childcare, things like pet sitting, tech support, fitness center, concierge, health-related items. So a lot of different examples there around space types that you could use. And, it's interesting just to see how creative and our customers have been with the workspace reservation solution, with taking this to the next level, with making different spaces, amenities, or services reservable by their employees. One of the other common use cases I love hearing is some of our higher ed customers have their professors handling and managing their office hours through workspace reservation. So their students could go in there, look at a visual interactive map or schedule in this case, and they could go ahead and book time to meet with their professor during office hours at a specific location. So this continues to evolve. Each month we're adding more and more features. Just wanted to show a quick demo of the new space types that are incorporated in Zoom Workspace Reservation. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thanks and have a great day.